Arsenal take on Bayern Munich today. Guess what? First of all, I'm going to be watching the game. I'm going to go Timber Lounge. That's what we're watching the game today. Hey, we're going to know people. Me, one, me I tell you the truth. Me afraid. But I'm still confident that my team can go out there and get the job done. Last time we played them, history not show so we're going to do good against them. History don't show that. But one thing for sure, when it regards to football, things and time change, especially where Arsenal is concerned. This is not the same Mustafi, Kolasinac, Sangnia, Clichy. This is not the same Arsenal where Bayern Munich wall and flag up, beat up, box up, thump up. Different Arsenal. So, I make a prediction from now. 2-0 to the Arsenal. I make it from now. 2-0 to the Arsenal.